Good day, everyone. This is our micro-teaching demonstration on phonological awareness instruction. Specifically, we chose to focus on blending and segmenting syllables, which are essential skills in helping learners develop early reading and pronunciation abilities.
Good morning, Stephanie. Good morning, teacher. Okay, so today we will learn how to break words into parts called syllables. So these are the parts of a word that we hear when we say the word slowly. But first, let's clap our hands. Clap with me. So each clap is like a part of a word. Now let's try to break a word into parts. What animal is this?
Teacher, it's a tiger.
Very good. This is a tiger. So the word is tiger. Again, the word is tiger. Now, I will break the word into parts. Tiger. Again, tiger. Now, I will count the syllables using my fingers. Tiger. Again, tiger. Now, how many syllables are there in the word tiger?
Tiger. Teacher, 2.
Very good. There are 2 syllables. Now, let's try it together by clapping our hands. Tiger. Clap with me. Tiger. Very good. Now, what is this?
Teacher, is it a mouse?
No, this is a hamster.
Oh,
Can you say it again?
Hamster.
So the word is hamster. Now let's break it into words. Hamster. Hamster. Now let's count the syllables of the word using our fingers. Hamster. Again, hamster. Can you do it by yourself?
Hamster.
So how many syllables are there in the word hamster?
Teacher, 2.
There are 2 syllables. Very good. Now, for the next picture, I will say a word and you will be the one to count the syllables of it.
Yes, teacher.
You understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So the word is volcano. The word is volcano.
Teacher, 3 syllables.
Okay, let's try to check it if it's correct. Volcano. Now let's use our fingers. Volcano. How many syllables are
Teacher,
there?
3.
Very good. There are 3 syllables. Now let's try another one. What is this?
Teacher, it's banana.
Okay, this is a banana.
Banana.
So the word is banana. Can you do it alone?
Banana.
Can you show me?
Banana.
Now let's try. Can you try clapping it?
Banana.
How many syllables are there in the
Teacher,
word?
3.
Very good. There are 3 syllables in the word banana. So you can now break words into syllables. So always remember that words have parts, and that parts are called syllables. Good job, Stephanie. Thank you for your participation this morning.
Thank you, teacher.
Good morning, Fiza. Good morning, Mom. Today, we are going to learn new word. Do you want to learn some new words today?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, let's see. So this is a picture of a pencil. You know what this is called?
Pencil.
Okay, let's try to blend it. Pen, set. Pen, sit. Okay, let's try it here. Pen, and sit.
Sit.
Okay, you try.
And sit.
Very good. This photo is a mango. This
There are three.
Yeah, then it's gonna be 3 mangoes. But we're just gonna read as mango. Say mango. Mango. Let's try. Mango. Mango. Maybe we can start from here. From left. Start from left. Mango. Very good. I have here another. Oh, this.
Table.
Correct. It is a table. We can read it as table. Table. Again. Table. Okay, can you do it?
From left to right.
Yes, from left to right.
Table.
Again.
Table.
Very good. Now let's try to add one more syllable. This picture is a papaya. Correct. This is a papaya. So papaya can be read as ya. Ya. Okay, that's 3. Let's do it again. Ya. Okay, let's do it here. Ya. Can you try it?
Yeah.
Papaya. Very good. Very good, Lisa. I think you did great today. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow.
Yay.